Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Martin right here, as always, and I'm in my office. Today I'm happy to receive my wonderful visitors as always, and this time round it's none other than...
Rose Atima Ilakut. Ilakut is my husband.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
And she has a lot for us. She's been telling me a few things about her health, and she's here to give us some feedback so far as she continues to consume and enjoy our therapy. So tell us.
Yeah, it was around July last year.
2024.
When I was really hit so much with I had a breast challenge, and they told me I was having cancer of the breast. So when I went to Zambia hospital, after some checks, they said, this is too late. Your cancer is at an upper stage. We can't treat you. But later, a friend took me to Mulago, but I was really struggling. All my lungs had water and breath. I was coughing every now and then. Yes, I underwent for chemo immediately. I was put, but before going for chemo, I had picked stem cells. But I'm like, I was doubting, will these stem cells help me? But I said, okay, when I went for chemo, and chemo also hit me badly, now we were in that panic. So me and my husband, we agreed, no. Much as they don't encourage combining these things, but now we are at a crossroad and the health was really so bad. Even sitting up was my problem. Time came really, I could not even hold a cup. Even sitting up on my bed was very, very difficult. My husband here always could support me to make me sit up, but finally, when I started taking the stem cells, I continued. Now, the joy of my heart was that me who was hit the first 2 doses and I couldn't to sit up, in the third, fourth dose, I started managing to sit up a bit. But when I went back after taking the stem cells, my fellow patients were like, you picking up very fast. What is happening? What are you eating? Are you still on chemo, or for you only for reviews? I'm like, there's nothing. Of course, I never wanted to open up what it was, because medically they always tend to discourage this kind of treatment, and they were asking me in a medical environment. But I kept on taking. Till even the lady who took me, she was a fellow patient. Me, I surpassed her kind of picking up. For her, instead, she deteriorated more. But for me, who was on stem cells, much as I tried to encourage her also to start, she declined. But me, I continued. But I'm telling you now, yes, my hair is...
Which cancer are we talking about, by the way?
This is cancer of the breast, is the one which they diagnosed me. But as I speak right now, I'm walking, even now coming up to this office. Yes, we drove, but we reached here when I couldn't walk the stairs. I can now walk. I can now even try to wash my clothes. I have gone back to work. And I think
You have resumed work?
Yes.
Wonderful.
I have now started work. I'm now working. So, but the cells which really I have been taking...
Sure. Which ones exactly have you been using? The stem cell that you're using?
I've been taking this, mainly crystal, and this double, and then the actual. This is the actual also, which I took. I could put in my juice, I could put it even in the water, but mainly it was these two. These are the two which have done wonders to me. I can't believe people after getting chemo, they get so dark, black. But for me, I just got black the first 2 doses before I started.
This skin, you can even go for Miss Uganda, I tell you.
But for me, my skin has remained. It's normal. It's maybe even better. At least it used to peel in the very first days. But after starting the chemo, the stem cells, the skin has gotten back to normal. And I think things are better.
So far,
even my stomach was swollen, by the way. My stomach was too swollen, the legs were swollen. But now my legs are okay. They are no longer swollen. I put on even my shoes, which I used not to put on. My stomach has gone back. It was too big, like maybe 8 months pregnancy or 7. But now, okay, they still may be, but I'm not even feeling the stomach.
You are okay.
But I'm continuing.
Wow, wonderful. Which other products have you used besides that? Is there any other?
Yes, I had a spray. I had the spray, even Snowfill. I have also used Snowfill because I had a wound. There was a spray I got from here. The
Miracle
spray is
Intense
called-
spray.
Yes, yes, that is that spray is the one I was using. And it also helped me. The wound is this, it's remaining small, but the time I came here, it was
After
really big.
removing the other breast,
The breast, unfortunately, it wasn't removed. It is the wound which ate it up.
the wound.
The wound was big and it ate it up. It kept dripping. But when I started taking stem cells and using that spray, it is now very small thing. It is healed.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Ah,
So
this
those
is
are the
very good.
wonders.
So you have used our therapy, say, for how long?
No, it is from September, late September. From
Late September.
up to now.
Late September 2024.
October, November, December. For 4 months.
Now we are counting
Yes,
4
for
months.
Yes.
Oh,
for
wonderful.
4 months.
Ah,
Yeah.
wonderful.
That's why
I'm
even
very
today I've come. I want again more because they are doing wonders to me.
wonderful.
Yeah.
What is Mr. saying, by the way? Whatever you have left aside or forgotten, I'm sure he knows.
Yeah.
Tell us about her past before she started using and, your experience as yourself.
Yeah, it was a very, very desperate time after we started on, or before even we started on chemo. It was so hopeless. But when we started using these stem cells, there was no miracle like in 24 hours. But as we moved on, her progress was more stable. It was more steady. Of course, you can see her as a testimony. She could not walk. Those days we could come and we packed down, Linian could come down. She could not climb here. But she has climbed here 3 times. Come here with a client and of course a friend, a fellow patient who also literally talking. So to me, I really believe stem cell is the secret behind it. One time even a doctor, when we came for review, he was surprised at the progress. Much as for him maybe thinks it's the chemo, but we have the hidden secret that
Behind the result.
the cytocell is giving us that confidence. So we really thank God for the connection from our friend Taibo from Arua. I mean, this is really a network. As we say, it's a family. It was a wonderful gift for her to link us to cytocell.
Wonderful. So we thank God for all this. I am also particularly glad and excited that she was able to refer some people from the same ward, from the hospital there, the Cancer Institute, and these people came. One of them came, and I'm glad that we served him. And within a period of 2 weeks, the wife was discharged after spending 2.5 or almost 3 months at the ward. Yeah. So thank you so very much for that particular one. Encouraging another person even when your own self was still challenged. You told me there are others in that ward where you are that you try to talk to. She even went ahead to surrender some of her own packs.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, because they were really seeing the wonders and they're like, but is it really working? I said, if you want to see that these things are a miracle, just try on this one pack and see. In 2 days, the 3rd day, the dialysis was terminated. When they went for blood tests and other things, even they told me, no, doctor is wondering what we used. And that immediately compelled them to come. That's when now they came here in PHYTOSCIENCE
To
also.
us, yeah.
So because I saw the wonders in it, I was not ashamed to recommend another person.
For sure. I'm sure your voice is even going to be utilized to, to reach out so many other people. I hope you can allow us to use this clip to talk to and share with other people out there.
No problem, because it is the testimonies of others.
Yeah.
It's also what made me also encouraged.
Wonderful.
So why should I? Thank you.
So we thank God, the miracle has come through. It is still being affirmed, and I'm sure in the next few weeks or months, the doctors will be, telling you something very different. You are still getting there. Yeah, you are on your pathway to that, and I'm sure you're going to get there, and you'll be all over telling everybody. You'll be a miracle to many people, and through you, I'm sure God's people are going to be impacted. So thank you so much for coming by once again to continue with your therapy. You have not finished. As you can see, this is her package. She's still enjoying her package, and I believe that that time will come when you give a more concrete testimonial or feedback to us, so that everybody gets to know about the future update of this. Yeah, so thank you so much. I appreciate you, by the way. And your husband has been so courageous, spending a lot of money. It means faith and believing that, at the end of the day, things will be well.
Has really been there.
Keep it up. Me. And thank you so very much. We thank God.
Thank you.
Yeah.